Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play the Harrier in War Thunder. This iconic aircraft offers unparalleled versatility with its unique vertical takeoff and landing capabilities. You can launch from almost anywhere, giving you a significant tactical advantage. Mastering its powerful thrust vectoring allows for incredible maneuverability, letting you quickly gain altitude or hover for precise attacks. Get ready to dominate the skies and ground with this exceptional machine. When engaging in air-to-air combat, the Harrier is a formidable opponent. It often carries 4 or more air-to-air missiles, giving you ample firepower. Leverage its exceptional thrust-to-weight ratio for rapid acceleration and maintaining energy during dogfights. Don't forget to use its unique ability to perform short takeoffs from unexpected places, allowing you to quickly re-engage or surprise unsuspecting enemies. This aircraft truly shines in dynamic aerial engagements. The Harrier is also incredibly effective in ground attack roles. You can deploy a wide variety of bombs and rockets to neutralize armored vehicles and enemy structures. Utilize your targeting pod for pinpoint accuracy, delivering your ordnance from a safe distance. By eliminating key ground threats, you provide invaluable support to your team, clearing the path for their advance. This dual capability makes the Harrier a true force multiplier on the battlefield. For advanced play, remember to manage your fuel carefully, especially during vertical maneuvers, as it depletes quickly. Practice using your unique thrust vectoring for evasive actions, making you a difficult target to hit. Coordinating with your teammates is crucial. The Harrier's versatility allows it to fill multiple roles, from air superiority to close air support. Master these strategies to become an unstoppable force in any battle scenario.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.